Alright everyone, hope you're doing well. So David Bright right here, and today video I'll be breaking down live markets over next week, so we can clearly see that we are on market close and it's literally weekend, and we're expecting the market to open in next 28 hours. So but let's literally go over to the forex factory and look at some fundamental data that might interest us and also influence the move for this week as the market is literally going open. So I'm looking at this Wednesday. We had the USD core PPI, which is producers price index, and we have the Fed's rate, which is the central bank's interest rate, which literally came out hold on change. And Thursday we had the GDP, which is the UK here unemployment rate, and it's came up lesser than the forecast, which is expectation. So it's literally good for the UK economy and the labor market as well. And looking at closely, we still have the GDP, Bank of England, released their interest rate as well, came out on hold. And as well as Thursday, we had the European Central Bank released their interest rate, which is this year also came out on hold. Having the USD, which is the US interest rate on hold, the GDP interest rate on hold, and EUR, which is the Bank of Europe, European Central Bank interest rate on hold. This literally influences the forex market and makes the market to move in a kind of way that most times gets traders trapped, because investors always look out for interest rates, and it's one of the big brothers in the component of fundamental, which is the GDP, inflation, and interest rate. So interest rate is the big brother. All right, so but let's go straight into the chart and let's see what we have. This is EURUSD. All right, so here on EURUSD, fundamentally we bearish, and so we have in this order flow, and currently we can see what we have here on the order flow. Price action is bullish, and we have this low, we have the high, we have the low, the high, the low, and the high. So we understand the price action and we know we're bullish, and for me personally, all I'll be focusing on is on the buy and literally not on the sell. So personally, when I get this move here, which is when we had this rally to the upside, we had this large trending range. This is a large volume of trading range. You can see it's a large volume here, and literally this is my swing low here, and this is my swing high here. So for me, all I had to do is just look out for a discount level where to be getting involved in my buy and not buy at a premium level. So using my Fibonacci here from the swing low to the swing high is literally one of the things that I do. And for me, I like buying at a discount level of around 50%, and the 50% level is literally a fair value level where price is neither cheap or expensive. So buying at the 50% is literally one of the areas I love looking at first thing first before, and I love looking at the 62, 70.5, 79, because these are now the discount level. Currently we can see price is at the 50%, and since I understand price at 50%, all I need to do is literally look out for any possible changes that will happen in the market. That is literally the London section, which I trade. So currently we have internal order flow, and looking at the internal order flow, what do we have here in the market? We can see we have this to be a break of structure, continuation to the sell side, and literally indicating that sellers are now dominating the market. And we have this break of structure, continuation to the sell side, also sellers dominating the market. And this is literally saying one thing, that currently sellers are in control of this market. And literally, why would I be trading when sellers are still in control of the market? Of course I need to see buyers step in, and because of course I'm a buyer in this market, and I really don't need to be a seller or try to go against the trend. I need to work with the trend, follow the trend. It's all about understanding what the trend is talking about. So currently sellers are in control of the market, and for me, I'm waiting out for buys, and I need to see this high get taken out. Literally I need to see something like this happen in the market, and once I should get a change of character, let's say this high get taken out successfully to be where I get the change of character. From now, if I should get this level here to be a level of change of character, all I have to do is look out for level of demand, or where we had a consolidation, which is a range before the expansion. I need to look out for that level. Let's say this level in particular. I need to mark out this level, and next I need to do is literally let my section, which is London, because I trade London section, come back to collect liquidity, probably the Asia low liquidity, probably equal lows or whatever type of liquidity it might be. Come back to collect liquidity, and I will literally, look out for the market structure shift, which is on the 1 minute time frame, of which I used to trade. When I get the market structure shift, let's say get something like this, let's say I get some market structure shifts, something like this, I'll be getting involved here within some level of demand here, and I'll be targeting the swing high, because that's literally my ideology to this market, that price is literally going to continue to the buy side, taking out this swing high here before any potential reversal or in trend. So yeah, that's it on EUR. I'm basically bullish, and if I should go over to GBPUSD, let's see what we have on GBPUSD as well. Yep, GBPUSD is literally also the same thing. We can see we have our trading range, and yep, if I should zoom out, yep, you all can see these are literally order flow. All these here are literally order flow, and yeah, so our trading range previously, this is literally where we are trading range, and this is the high that is in overall control, and this low right here. So we're bearish on GBPUSD as well, and we need to literally understand the swing points. And yeah, so this high and this low is where we're ranging from, and we had this order flow shift, that shifted bullish at some point. Yeah, so here we can see, here we had this break of structure at this level, which is continuation to the buy side, and price change bearish, but something literally interesting happened here that might get us interested, and which is from this level here, price came back here, mitigate this certain level here, which is this demand level. When price got this level mitigated, we can see what happened. We had this bit of absorption of price by the buyers, and rally came back, swept liquidity here, and before the aggressive rally to the upside. Yeah, that's literally one of the things you need to understand in the market, price action. And for me personally, I see trading to be like you understanding transactions that is going on in the market. So I'm bullish, and I understand that the trend is bullish. So for real, I'm literally focusing on the buys and not the sell. So currently we can see sellers dominating the market, and we have here to be break of structure, of which you can see, if I should zoom in clearly, we have break of structure and break of structure, and price is currently at the 70.5, close to the 79% level of the fib. And for me, all I need to see is still the same thing, just like I said on EURUSD. I need to see price take out this swing high, or probably let's say price make a high and came back, giving a break of structure. I need to see this, and during the London section, which is the time I trade, 6 a.m. UTC. Yep, 6 a.m. UTC. So I need to see price give this change of character, and while during my trading section, I need to see price come back, big thing like this, react off the discount level, probably a range level or a demand level, and I need to break down to my 1 minute time frame, and I need to see the market structure shift, and I need to catch the buys and target the swing structure high. So that's it from easy peasy. Trading with the trend is literally easy. Understanding the market structure is what matters in the forex trading, because market structure is literally what gives us a clear edge to everything. If you want to see structured trades and receive smart money trade ideas just like this, join my Telegram community, link in the description of this video.